Hello guys, good morning to each and everyone. Assalamualaikum. Thank you for my 3.8 subscribers guys, and thank you for the trusting of my channel, and good morning also to Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao and Philippines and worldwide. And this is Annie PH guys, and again, thank you so much to my viewers and new subscribers. We have now 3.8 guys, and just I say thank you so much. The one supporting to my channel, thank you so much, and shout out to everyone. And once again, good morning guys, happy weekend, and bye bye. I love you all guys. To my supporters, thank you so much again, and especially the giving for me is our heart blessings. Thank you so much. That's very big support of my channel guys about earnings, and shout out to Cecilia PH, and good morning, Sir Luxor TV Vlog, and Sir Marcos from Cordy Lily, and Miss viewers. Nikita, thank you so much. And Alfonso, my friend, and England, and Sir Leslie, good morning. And Jimmy Sick TV, good morning also. And enjoy your vacation in Philippines. And that's it. Again, thank you, and everyone of my viewers and new subscribers, thank you so much. Let's do it our YouTube so that we can make a more video, and just we enjoy here our platforms. The ones that the support of my channel, thank you so much, and all my friends. I asked you big thank you, and everyone guys, the one I don't mention, we have more now. We have 3.8 subscribers, but thank you so much that number that given to me. I know it's very hard, but I want to try my best to do my channel, and I make go to growing up, and just I say I will enjoy it. And to all my waiting friends, thank you so much for your support of my channel. For today, I don't have video because lack of connection guys, and that's it. Once again, good morning. This is Annie PH, and more power. God bless us all.